Hi everyone. I've been getting messages asking me if I'm okay or if anything is wrong due to some recent videos. To those I've told I'm alright or I'm okay, I lied. The truth is, since January I've been dealing with a lot of disappointment, heartbreak, and death around me. My life got tossed upside down in the blink of an eye, and I'm still, emotionally and financially, recovering from it. I've been trying to work on myself and be the best person I can be, but in the end, I'm always left feeling like I'm never good enough for anyone. I'm tired of lying to people and telling them I'm okay, when in reality I'm far from it. I don't sleep well, I don't eat enough, I don't socialize like I used to. I love that my friends want to help, but I hate that I'm terrified to accept that help. Anytime I've opened up to someone, they've used it against me to the point where I completely shut myself off from sharing how I really feel. I just tell people I'm all right, because that's what I was conditioned to do. We live in a world where men can't say how they really feel because they get made fun of for being vulnerable, or because you're supposed to just suck it up, be a man. In the end, I know I'll be okay, because I have to be. Thank you to those that have checked in. It really does mean a lot to me. My motorcycle brings me so much joy and laughter, and it will until they throw dirt on top of me. I'll always be around to make videos and be your favorite dummy on a motorcycle. Until the next video, love y'all.